children, so welcome back to session 6 of chapter 3, coordinate geometry. So we have learnt basics. What is coordinate geometry? How to plot the ordered pairs in the form of point in Cartesian coordinate plane. Correct? And if point is given in Cartesian coordinate plane, yes, we can pick up the ordered pairs representing those points. Alright? In today's session, we'll see at what distance is given point in the Cartesian coordinate plane from x-axis and y-axis. Alright? So first I have to draw the Cartesian coordinate plane, which consists of yes, y-axis and x-axis. Is that okay? So here you are. This is x-axis and this is x dash. This one is y-axis and here you have y dash. Alright? Yes. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you are. But in your graph paper, origin से आप कहां तक जा सकते हो? +12. राइट. O for origin ये 0 नहीं है. और नेगेटिव y एक्सिस पे कहां तक जा सकते हैं? पॉजिटिव x एक्सिस पे, नेगेटिव x एक्सिस पे. राइट. Now here is one point. This point is A and its x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 4. Is that clear? Yes. Now as I said, I want to determine how far is point A from x-axis and how far it is from y-axis. देख लीजिए. To know its distance from x-axis, I have dropped perpendicular from A to x-axis. To know its distance from y-axis, I am dropping perpendicular to y-axis. So this is right angle, this is right angle, this is right angle. A quadrilateral banana quadrilateral, in which 3 angles are right angle. So fourth also is going to be right angle. So इसको मैं नाम दे दूं ABOC. ABOC. So I got a rectangle. So opposite sides are equal. What is the distance of point A from x-axis? AC. Don't say pi. घोंचुओ. pi कैसे pi? कैसे पता चला ये pi है? पाई तो एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट है, डिस्टेंस पाई नहीं, इसलिए इसको समझना है. यू मेड मिस्टेक. वेट. व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ पॉइंट ए फ्रॉम एक्स एक्सिस? इट इज AC. इट इज AC. बट AC इक्वल टू BO या OB, अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. अब BO तो आसानी से गिन सकते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4. So BO is 4 units. So AC is also 4 units. So what is the distance of point A from x-axis? 4 units. There you are. You said 5 and that is wrong. Chali. Now, what in the figure represents the distance of point A from y-axis? Y-axis से A का distance AB. घोंचुओ AB. From the figure क्या दिखा रहा है? AB. But AB is equal to OC. AB is equal to OC. we can easily say this is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit. So this is 5 units because OC is 5 units. So what is the distance of point A from y-axis? 5 units. And what is the distance of point A from x-axis? 4 units. समझ में आया? हेमिल समझ में आया? आया कि नहीं आया? कहाँ आया? दिमाग में? अच्छा. There is another point here. Please, this point is K. Its x coordinate is and the y coordinate is. Now my aim is to determine the distance of point K from x-axis and y-axis. If I want distance from x-axis from K, I will drop perpendicular to x-axis. And if I want to know its distance from y-axis, from that point I will drop perpendicular to Milana rectangle. Okay, mila ke nahi? Now this is this line segment, length of this line segment. अभी नाम मैं दे रहा हूँ, दे दूँ, चलो. P, O, K, Q. So O, Q, K, P is a rectangle. PK is equal to OQ. Now this PK is actually distance of point K from x-axis, but PK is equal to OQ. Now OQ you can find very easily. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit. So this is 4 units. So you can say PK is also. So what can be said about the distance of point K from x-axis? 4 units. क्यों शांत है? All right. Now I want to know what is the distance of point K from y-axis, and that distance is KQ. By K, y-axis से कितना दूर है? KQ जितना distance. But KQ is equal to OP या PO. Okay. अब यहाँ देखो 0 से -1 1 unit, -1 से -2 2 unit. So this is 2 units. So you can say KQ is also 2 units. So what is the distance of point K from y-axis? And what is the distance of point K from x-axis? समझ में आई बात? Let me take here. This is point M. What is its x coordinate? And what is its y coordinate? So minus phi 2 is the ordered pair representing point in the Cartesian coordinate. Now I want to know how far is point M from x-axis. For that I will drop. So yeah, it is okay. And then want to know how far it is from y-axis. So I will drop perpendicular to y-axis as well. So मुझे ये quadrilateral मिला. अब ये distance ढूंढना हो तो find out this. बोलो 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. 2 units. So this is also 2 units. उसी तरह ये distance जानने के लिए 0 to 1, 1 minus 1 to minus 2, minus 2 to minus 3. कितने units? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 5 units. So you can say this is also 5 units. So how far is point M from x-axis? How far is point M from y-axis? बराबर समझो. एक और कोऑर्डिनेट आई मीन क्वाड्रेंट बाकी है, वहां ले लेंगे. Here. This is point M, whose x coordinate is and y coordinate is. अभी मैं बता दूं what is the distance of point N from x-axis. Distance of this point from x-axis आपको जानना हो तो आप y coordinate देख लो and ignore the minus sign. What is the distance of point N from x-axis? 3 unit. And what is the distance from y-axis? आप x coordinate को देख लो 7. Sign आप ignore करिए. देखो what is the distance of this point K from x-axis? जो x एक्सिस बोला तो y कोऑर्डिनेट दे दो. Ignore the negative sign. 4 units. There you are. 4 units. मिला के नहीं 4 units है देखो ना. From x axis. And what is the distance of point K from y axis? जो y axis को जानना होता है x कोऑर्डिनेट दे दो. Ignore the sign. 2 units. ये रहा. So मतलब ये डायग्राम ड्रॉ करने की जरूरत from the ordered pair itself you can say. अब यहाँ कंफर्म करते हैं. आपने बोल दिया distance of point n from x axis is 3 units. Never say minus 3 units because distance can never be negative. It can be 0. दोनों पॉइंट कोइंसाइड हो रहे, इक्वल हो रहे, तो 0 होगा. और डिस्टिंक्ट होगा तो डिस्टेंस वुड बी ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. It can never be negative. So you can ignore the sign. चलिए बोलिए पहले मुझे चाहिए x एक्सिस से, तो x एक्सिस पर परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करो. तो यहां से इतना डिस्टेंस होगा कि नहीं सेम? 1 यूनिट 2 यूनिट 3 यूनिट. So this is 3 units. आपको मिला 3 units. Right? Now what is the distance of point n from y axis? So draw perpendicular to y axis. यही डिस्टेंस यहाँ है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 और 7 units. So वो 7 units है. So this is also 7 units. तो यहाँ सीधा पता चल गया. Are you getting me? Concept समझ में आया? Now I'm going to give you ordered pair. Here is the ordered pair. 7 minus 1. ये पॉइंट है x. What is the distance of point x from y axis? मैंने बोला distance from y axis. तो आप x कोऑर्डिनेट को पकड़ लो. 7 units. What is the distance of this point x from x axis? तो आप y कोऑर्डिनेट पकड़ लो. -1 है, लेकिन साइन को इग्नोर कर दो. And that is 1. There is another point L. 0 5. What is the distance of this point L from x axis? यदि आप x axis से बात कर रहे हो तो आप y कोऑर्डिनेट देख लो. So it is 5 units. And what is the distance of this point from y axis? तो आप x कोऑर्डिनेट देख लो. 0. उसका मतलब कि वो y axis पर ही है. The point is on y axis. So distance from y axis is 0. आपकी समझ में आ रहा है? -2 -6. This is point F. Here is one point F in Cartesian coordinate plane represented by ordered pair -2 -6. What is the distance of this point from x axis? Sorry, y axis. आपने y axis बोला तो x coordinate चुन लो, साइन इग्नोर करो. So what is the distance of point F from y axis? 2 units. अब आप what is the distance from x axis? आप x axis की बात कर रहे हो तो y coordinate चुन लो. What is y coordinate? -6. Ignore the sign, so it is 6. So what is the distance of point F from x axis? 6. So there will be objective questions. There will be समझ में आई बात? Based on this knowledge, not just this year, also next year in 10th standard board paper, ये concept के base पे एक objective question they definitely ask. They make choice of this type of question even to ask in board exam, 10th standard exam. Is that clear? So understood this concept? अब हम देखते हैं कुछ pairs of ordered pairs. Pairs of ordered pairs. Pairs of ordered pairs. चलो ordered pair. First 2 3 और 3 2. मैंने बोला pairs और वो भी ordered pair वाला तो दो लिया. बोलिए सेकंड -5 2 और 2 -1. थर्ड -1 -3 or -3 -1. Many children will think कि भाई ये तो सेम है 3 2 और 2 3 क्या फर्क? नहीं. When you take pairs of real numbers like this, they represent distinct points in the Cartesian coordinate plane. Let's verify that. Let me plot this 2 3. All right? Its x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 3. So that point is going to be here. Let me say that point is A and this point is B. So A 2, 3. It's this point. Right? Now let me plot point B. 3, 2. So x coordinate 3, y coordinate 2. दोनों लाइन यहाँ मिलेगी. This is point B representing ordered pair 3. Now look, if ordered pair 2, 3 and 3, 2 are represented by equal point, same point. Are they represented by equal point, same point? So ordered pair 2, 3 and 3, 2 are totally different. एक और example देखते हैं. -5 to x coordinate -5. Here it is. 2 here. They will meet here. Let me say this point is C and this is D. So C -5 2. That point is here. Let's take 2 -5. So where is 2? Here. And where is -5? Here. They will meet here. This is point B. 2 -5. So -5 2 and 2 -5 are distinct points. They are different ordered pairs, not same. 1 -1 -3 -1 -3. Here, let me say this point is E and this is F. So E -1 -3. F -3 -1. Baba, -3 is here, -1 is here. This is point F, -3 -1. They are different points. It is. They are different points. So ordered pair 2 3 3 2. Yeah, -5 2 2 -5 and -3 -1 -3 and -3 -1 are representing distinct points, different points in the Cartesian coordinate. They are not same. So when are they same? Ordered pair 3 2 and ordered pair 3 2. X coordinate equal or y coordinate equal? 3 equal to 3 or 2 equal to 2 हो तभी होगा. Let me say this is M and this point is N. कुछ और ले लेगा. 5 1 5 1. आप देख सकते हैं x coordinate से और y coordinate भी same. Now 5 1 which is point M. 5. Here are 5. Here are 1. This is point M. 5 1. Check. Now I am going to represent this N, which is also 5. बोलो 5 1. यही point, वही N. 5 1. आप देख सकते हैं M equal to N. M और N they are coinciding, so they are one and the same point. All right. If I say ordered pair AB is equal to ordered pair 3 2. बताइए what you can say from this? They are equal. They are equal. So what you can say? A equal to 3 and B is equal to 2. समझना है? ऐसे कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. Ordered pair x plus 1 and 0 is equal to ordered pair 5 and 2y minus 1. Children, these two ordered pairs are equal. Then find the values of x and y. What is x coordinate? X plus 1. What is x coordinate? 5. By x coordinate equal to x coordinate, तभी तो equal होगा. 5 equal to 5, 1 equal to 1, x coordinate equal to x coordinate, y coordinate equal to तभी equal होगा. x coordinate क्या है? x plus 1. और यहाँ x coordinate क्या है? They have to be equal. तभी तो ordered pairs equal होगा. And बोलो 0 y coordinate is equal to 2y minus. अभी यदि आपको x ढूंढना हो तो एक x subject to the formula. Therefore x is equal to 5 minus 1. Therefore x is equal to 4. बोलो ये -1 ये वाला आया +1. That is equal to 2y. So 1 upon 2 is equal to y. I.e. y is equal to 1 upon 2. half. चेक करते x की वैल्यू क्या है 4. तो यहाँ 4 लिख दो. तो 4 plus 1. What is 4 plus 1? आया ना 5 equal to 5. चलो अब y की वैल्यू यहाँ डालो. 2 into 1 upon 2 minus 1. 2 2 cancel, 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. 0 है, आया ना 0 equal to 0. समझ में आई बात? So we verified also. So based on this knowledge, also there will be few objective questions. All right. So can we see those objective questions? कुछ practice कर लेते हैं, right? चलिए. I hope conceptually आपको बहुत अच्छी तरीके से समझ आएगा. ट्रिक तो मैंने बता दी. You can write directly, उसके लिए प्लॉट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. चलिए, here is the question. Answer the following. First one, what is the distance of point A minus pi 2 from y-axis? Please pay attention. You all are not going to write in your notebook. अभी पहले ध्यान दो. चलिए, there is one point represented by ordered pair minus pi 2. You have to find its distance from. If you have to find distance from y-axis, you will have to look at the x-coordinate. What is x-coordinate? Lekin we will ignore the minus sign. 5. If we ignore the minus sign, it's 5. And that is the answer. 5 units. Answer. 5. Are you getting me? I'll send the screenshot. You can copy at home. Second. What is the distance of point P 0 minus 5 from x-axis? Which point is given? P. And it is represented by which ordered pair? What are we supposed to find? The distance of this point from x-axis. If you have to find the distance of this point from x-axis, you will have to observe the y-coordinate. And what is y-coordinate? 3. There is no minus sign. Ignore करवानी बात नहीं होती. बोलो, answer is 3 units. आपको लिखना होगा ये 3 units. हाँ? खाली 3 नहीं लगता. Next, number 3. Please, now this is interesting. If ordered pairs, first ordered pair is this, second ordered pair is this, and they are equal ordered pairs in R cross R. ये अभी आपके समझ में नहीं आएगा. इसको समझाने के लिए मैं पूरा नेक्स्ट सेशन शायद उसमें पूरा हो तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं तो एक और सेशन छोटा सा लेना पड़ेगा. Then find the values of x and this R cross R मतलब कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट प्लेन. R cross R मतलब कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट प्लेन. चलिए, how are these 2 points? ये पॉइंट ही है ना, ऑर्डर पर तो कोई ना कोई पॉइंट है. The 2 ordered pairs are equal. 2 points are equal. 2 points या 2 ordered pairs are equal only if their x coordinates are equal and y coordinates. So definitely solution. भाई इसका थोड़ा काम करना पड़ेगा. 3 4x is equal to 2y minus 3 8 in R. No need to write this. Okay. But data. बाय, ये डेटा में है, दे आर इक्वल। Therefore, what is x coordinate? 3. X coordinate 3 और यहाँ x coordinate what times we today? 2y minus 3. They are, and what is y coordinate? And what is y coordinate? They are also equal. Simple. X coordinate equal to x coordinate and y coordinate equal to y coordinate. By definition of coinciding point, equal points, right? बस अलग अलग सॉल्व कीजिए। 3 ये बाजू लाओ, 3 plus 3 is equal to 2y, so 6 is equal to 2y, so 6 upon 2 is equal to y, i.e. y is equal to 3। देखो हम समझ में आ रहा है ना? This we can solve since 6 minutes you are solving this। बोलो x is equal to 8 upon, therefore x is equal to, so x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3। Find the values of x and y. X is 2 and y is 3. So this type of objective questions है। Here you are, screenshot के लिए, right? I said I will send you screenshot and you can solve. Number 4. If ordered pairs 2x plus 3 and y minus y and x plus 5 and 2y plus y are equal, बोलो equal in R cross R, then find x plus y, then find x plus x ढूंढो, y ढूंढो और फिर x plus y। Be careful, x and y is x plus y। Fifth one, if ordered pairs 2m and 4m is equal to 10 and minus 12, then m square plus n square is equal to dash, m square plus n square is equal to dash। और सिलेंडर ब्लैंक हो जाएगी तो उसको थोड़ा बदल देना, then find m square plus n square। Number 6, what is the distance you are irritating me, huh? This boy, you are irritating by your voice, of point m2 minus 7 from x axis। So 3 आंसर्स आप खुद कर सकते हो। Alright? So fine, that's all in this session. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day and stay safe.